If you're a terminal user who loves coding, you've probably heard of Gemini CLI. But is it really the best AI coding tool out there? Today we're diving into what makes it tick and whether it's worth your time. Gemini CLI is designed for developers who want to streamline their coding experience right from the terminal. It integrates AI capabilities directly into your command line, allowing you to generate code, troubleshoot errors, and even automate repetitive tasks. The interface is clean and intuitive, which is a big plus for users who prefer a minimalist setup. One thing that stands out is its ability to understand context, making it easier to generate relevant code snippets. However, there's a bit of a learning curve if you're not already familiar with command line tools. The intended audience seems to be developers who are comfortable with coding and want to enhance their productivity without switching back and forth between applications. That said, some aspects feel a bit vague. For instance, the documentation could use more examples to help new users get started quickly. It's clear that the tool has potential, but there are areas that need more clarity to really shine. When it comes to the pros, Gemini CLI excels at integrating AI directly into the coding workflow, which can save time and reduce friction. It's particularly beneficial for those who handle repetitive tasks or need quick code suggestions. However, there are also some cons to consider. One major frustration is the lack of comprehensive documentation. Users might find themselves stuck without enough guidance, especially those new to terminal-based tools. Additionally, while the AI features are impressive, they can occasionally miss the mark, generating code that requires significant tweaking. Pricing is another concern. While it may be reasonable for seasoned developers, beginners might find it a bit steep for a tool that requires prior knowledge to fully utilize. Overall, it seems best suited for intermediate to advanced users who are comfortable navigating the terminal. In conclusion, Gemini CLI is a powerful tool for developers looking to enhance their terminal experience with AI capabilities. If you're comfortable with coding in the command line, it could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. However, beginners might want to explore alternatives until they're more familiar with the environment. Overall, it's worth trying if